Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wheel spacers on Amazon. For anyone wanting to show off their car, having it painted, adding decals, or improving the ride and sound of it are but a few ways to do so. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Wheel spacer set of 4 1.5 inches thick. The wheel spacer set of 4 1.5 inches thick is designed to provide a better driving experience for your Jeep vehicle. These spacers are compatible with 2007 to 2018 Wrangler, 06 to 10 Commander, and 05 to 10 Grand Cherokee models. They are made of high-quality materials and are designed to improve stability and handling. The wheel spacer set of 4 1.5 inches thick is made from high-quality 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. This makes them lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant. They have a hub-centric design, which means that they fit perfectly onto your car's hub, reducing vibrations and providing better stability. The spacers come in a set of 4 and have a thickness of 1.5 inches. This is designed to improve your Jeep's stability and handling. They provide a wider stance, which improves cornering and reduces body roll. This leads to better traction and improved overall driving experience. Number 2. Rocktrix for Precision European Wheel Spacers. These Rocktrix wheel spacers come in a set of 4 and multiple widths to help you mount large wheels to your car. Starting at 1 inch, these spacers make an excellent set for making sure your car can not only hold the weight of larger wheels, but also drive on them safely and securely, while giving you better handling. A feature we found extremely useful was the exceptional wheel balance they provide. They work to eliminate any chance of vibration or noise coming from tight turns or difficult terrain. They give your vehicle a more aggressive stance, and the anodized aluminum coating fights off corrosion. Plus, they don't look half bad, either. While you may have the knowledge and hand tools to install these yourself, it is highly recommended by the manufacturer to have these attached by a professional. While that will set you back more money, you'll have some peace of mind knowing they were put on correctly. Number 3. Supreme Suspension's Hub-Centric Wheel Spacers. These are 1.5-inch hub-centric wheel spacers. They are made up of high-quality and durable T6 aluminum, which helps them not corrode in tough elements or conditions. They can handle heavy loads with ease, and their coating provides a great look to your vehicle. What we found especially great about these centric wheel spacers is the time it takes to install them. Nothing is overly difficult about putting them on the studs. The company rates it will take between 1 to 3 hours to install them yourself, and you don't need any fancy equipment to do so. This gives you the freedom and saves you money on installing them at a shop. Their tough and resilient design helps you gain more traction on the road and add a unique look to your ride. However, we found they may not be a suitable fit for all studs. Many consumers report they had to trim back their studs a bit in order for these to fit properly. Number 4. IronTech 2 inches Hub-Centric Spacers. The IronTech 2 inches hub-centric spacers are made from high-quality 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, making them lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant. They have a hub-centric design, which means that they fit perfectly onto your vehicle's hub, providing better stability and reducing vibrations. The spacers come in a set of 4 and are designed to fit onto Toyota Tacoma, 4Runner, Tundra, FJ Cruiser and others. The IronTech 2 inches hub-centric spacers are designed to improve your vehicle's stability and handling by widening its wheelbase. This will help reduce body roll, improve cornering, and provide better traction. But installing spacers can also put additional stress on your wheel bearings, potentially causing them to wear out faster than normal. This can lead to increased maintenance costs down the road. Number 5. ECCPP Spacers, Hub-Centric Wheel Spacers. This set of 2 hub-centric spacers have a 5-lug bolt pattern. They measure 1 inch thick and have a center bore of 70.3 mm. Each spacer is made from true T6 billet aluminum. When it comes to ensuring fitment, you can't beat ECCPP. The company goes out of its way to ensure you choose the right set of spacers for optimal performance on your vehicle. You'll have more measurements and even diagrams with instructions, so you fully understand what you're buying. These are some of the best quality materials and machining you'll find in wheel spacers. Unfortunately, the exacting measurements and machining mean that sometimes these spacers are slightly off in size. This is more a dip in quality control and not an indication of buying the wrong spacer. You also need to be careful with the lug nuts, they can strip easily. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.